It's much shinier. You see the water beads? Hi guys, I'm done cleaning my car thoroughly and I'm getting ready to do my own coating DIY. Of course, this is not expensive. This is about 80 ringgit. It's about $20, and I have this is free from them. This will be the one that I will be wiping off the first layer, and I already have bought another 2-piece just as a backup, I think, to buff off the extras. Yeah, let's get right into it. So this is from DPRO premium coating. I think this is 9H. Yes, the hardness, and yeah, there's some directions as well. So let's try it out. So, right, I'm going to do some unboxing for you guys to see. So this is all sealed with sticker with a QR code, and inside there is this is for you to apply, yeah, on the car. This is the premium coating luxury quartz H plus. Looks cool, yeah. So this entire bottle can at least get me 2 layers, and this is the one that you have to put on top of this. Of course, if you guys have glove, that would be even better. I don't have a glove with me, so I think it should be okay. So yeah, let's try it out. Sorry for the sound from inside, because just next to a badminton court, and I found a place where it's further away from the outside. So I don't have a garage, so I'm going to do it right here. Okay, so right now it's fully clean. Let's try out the coating now. Putting a few drops here. Okay, I think that should be good enough for the first round. Okay, I'm done with the coating. Now I need to wipe it evenly so it starts to dry out. I think there is a few minutes here where I can actually wait for it to dry out. So there you go, let's start. So right guys, I'm done with the front trunk, you call it frunk inside, and the left fender, sorry, the right fender, as well as the other side as well. Just three panels. I want to do it bit by bit so that I won't miss it. So I start off with that. Ceramic coat it. Use the first to even it out, then the second one to make it drier, yeah. And then I go to the fender and apply the coating, and go to the other side, apply the coating, and come back here again to use the 2 towels to wipe it off, even it out. Well, it's done. It's just 1 layer, and I'm pretty tired. It took me about 1.5 hours just to coat 1 layer. So guys, if you are not ready for this, go and give it to those professionals to do it, yeah. So guys, that's all. And yeah, just a reminder again, start with 1 panel and remember which panel you have done first, then go to the second one, third one. Yeah, then you come back to the second panel and wipe off, and then come to the third one and wipe off, and then you continue on to the rest of the car. I was advised to do it from the top to bottom, but I just do it from front to back. For me, it's just the same. Just let you know, you have to let it cure, so that make sure you don't go outside the rain or sunshine. Just let it be there, sit for about 12 hours. If you have another car, just use another car. Leave it in your garage or your parking lot. Okay. I brought some water with me. Let's see how is the hydrophobic or water repellent. I don't know what you call this. You see the water beads? Yeah, that means it's working. See you guys. Bye. So after a day of coating it, take a look. It's much shinier, and this is a DIY work, not from any companies out there. So although it's not perfect, I think it's good enough. So alright, thanks a lot for watching, and I will be charging my car now. Alright, bye guys.